Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making bananas Foster flambe. If you've ever looked at the cover of my YouTube page, there's a picture of me with a big flame in front of me. And guess what I'm making? Yep, you guessed it, bananas Foster. So I don't do the original version, I do my own version as I do with all my cooking. Let's jump right in. We'll talk about our ingredients. I have a little bit of butter, maybe a tablespoon, some brown sugar, a couple bananas, and some vanilla ice cream. And lastly, some Triple Sec. Triple Sec is an orange liqueur. You can use Grand Marnier, you can use any type of liquor you want. Basically, the liquor is more so for the flambe as opposed to flavoring. So the truth of the matter is you really don't taste the alcohol at all. So let's jump right in. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna melt our butter. Can even, that's probably plenty of butter, to be honest with you. Could use less. I don't like a lot of butter when I cook. We add our bananas. We're gonna saute these just for a few seconds. You really don't have to cook the bananas. They will cook more as it's going. That's fine. Gonna add our sugar. This is light brown sugar that I'm using. So in a minute or two, I'm gonna be doing a flambe. While flambes look really, really cool, it is fire, and technically it's a very, very small explosion. So you need to be careful. You need to treat this with respect. It looks like a lot of fun, and it is. It's great being able to cook like this, but there are times that I've had fires like this high coming out of my pan, and if your face is over it, well, you're gonna walk away without eyebrows or without your mustache or beard. When you are flambeing, you definitely need to treat it with respect. So you notice I have everything over here. I'm gonna be flambeing over here, so I want that area of the pan clear. And like if I just pour this over here, it's not gonna flambe. The other thing is I'm actually heating up the pan over here so I get a nice flambe. Alrighty. So when you flambe, I'm gonna bring the pan away from the fire. I don't want to add it near the fire because I don't want it to ignite. Stir that in. And classically, bananas Foster is served with vanilla ice cream. I actually stir some vanilla ice cream into it. I find that the brown sugar is a very, very harsh flavor. By adding some vanilla ice cream, it makes it a very, very mellow flavor. We're just gonna stir that in until it melts. Turn off my fire. And I'm gonna put it in a martini glass and I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. So I added just a little bit more vanilla ice cream. Reason being is you can never have too much ice cream. And put it in a martini glass. And taste it. Gonna grab some ice cream with it. Really, really, really good. You'll like that. Anyway, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Please leave your comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, everyone. Have a great day, all right? And no fire. It's fire, and the fire could go like this high. So if you're too close to it, you'll burn your eyebrows off. And of course you'll be suing me, but that's besides the point.